I love this stuff. Whenever I want to just make quick dinner, this thing is the best. I've tried some other toaster ovens, Cuisinart, Philips air fryer, and this just works much better. Tater tots in this. Amazing. This one is much lighter. It's also much cheaper. I bought it for around $150. You can't really bake anything in it. This toaster oven is literally just for heating food, for toasting bread. After testing both, this is just a no-brainer. Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna be comparing these two toaster ovens. This is the Panasonic toaster oven, and this is the Breville air fryer toaster ovens. This, as you can see, is a much bigger toaster oven. So it's not only wider, it's also deeper, and this one is much lighter. This is so light, you can move it very easily. So this Panasonic toaster oven is also much cheaper. I bought it for around $150. I think it was on sale at the time. The Breville one I bought for $350 plus tax. So it is much more expensive, and I've been using this one for, I would say, 5 years now. Yeah, or like 4 or 5 years. Very long time. And this one I used for about a year, and as you can see, it's small. And this is for people who are looking to mostly use it to toast the bread, which, by the way, this is insanely good at toasting your bread. You can't really bake anything in it. This toaster oven is literally just for heating food, for toasting bread. This not supposed to be used for making muffins, pies, or whatever. It's just not gonna work because I tried to make croissants in it and they were ruined. I tried to heat up some frozen pastry and it just doesn't work because it always gets burned and it's not fully baked on the inside. Whenever you're trying to like reheat some pastry that was frozen before. It works for toast. Like if you have frozen bread slices and you want to heat up in this, it will work great. This was great. Breville air fryer was amazing. I never turn on my gas oven. So this was just great. The only thing is that it gets insanely dirty because I cook peppers in it, I bake small peppers in it, so all the oil gets all over this thing on the inside and it's insanely hard to clean. So that's my main complaint about the Breville. I've been using this Breville for a lot of different things, for making bread, for pastries, for cooking meat, and also vegetables, like I mentioned, peppers. This works great because I don't have to wait a long time for this to preheat. It takes 5, maybe 10 minutes at max if I use super high temperature. But like I said, it's very hard to clean if you don't clean it regularly. If you want to clean it once a month or two, it's just not gonna work if you cook a lot of things in it because the grease just gonna be permanently there. It just doesn't work that well. So like I mentioned, this thing is great at a lot of things. And you would think, well, if something is so great at toasting bread, making muffins, cooking meat, vegetables, and making fries, because it's you would think, oh, it must suck at something, right? Well, so far, like everything that I cooked in it came out amazing, much better than in my regular oven, and that says a lot. You know, in my big gas oven, I literally use this thing a few times a day because I use it for breakfast, toasting the bread. I use it for making dinner, sometimes lunch, tater tots in this thing. Amazing, because they're just so crispy on the outside, but nice and soft on the inside. This thing has so many heating elements, no cold spots or hot spots. They really engineered this thing so it works. I have no complaints when it comes to cooking, baking, heating up. You want to heat up pizza. It also has a pizza setting, which I also love. There's so many settings. I'm gonna share exactly how many in the description. You have options for everything. The only 2 options we don't have with this one, but you do get with the air fryer pro model, which is $50 more, the dehydrate and proof settings. So if you like to make bread, if you want to proof something overnight, if you want to dehydrate tomatoes or pineapple slices, the air fryer pro is the one for you. I'm gonna be getting rid of this thing because the toasted bread comes out pretty much exactly the same from this one as from this one. When it comes to reheating food, same thing. This performs really well, but this also doesn't perform worse. Quite honestly, this is even better for reheating food because you get a lot more space. I can fit 2 slices of pizza, and in this one I can only fit 1 slice of pizza. For 2 people, this is much better. If you are cooking for yourself, this probably will be fine, but again, this gives me so much more options, even considering the cost, because it is more expensive. I don't need to use my oven anymore with this thing. This is much better. With this, unfortunately, I still had to use my regular oven because I couldn't really make croissants in this. I couldn't bake anything in this. I couldn't make bread because it wouldn't fit. After testing both, this is just a no-brainer. These are very good toaster ovens, but depending what you're looking for, if you just want to toast bread, if you just want to reheat dinners, pizza slices, one by one, this is gonna be great. It's very light, it's very compact, it's easy to use. It doesn't have a lot of settings. As you can see, toast, waffle from frozen, roll, reheat, pizza, quick chicken reheat, and hash browns. Like, that's it. Here you get a lot more options. If you want to bake anything in it, this is not gonna work. You can't bake anything in it. It just doesn't work for it. It's gonna burn your food. And I tried working with the settings to make it work, and it just didn't work. This is just not made for baking stuff. Even if you read manual, you will know that. So even though I tried to hack it, it didn't work. This thing is just so versatile. You can use it just to toast the bread. You can use it to bake cookies, bake muffins, bread, meat, vegetables. You can do so many different things in this, and it doesn't take that much power. Like, it's a lot more energy efficient. My big oven. I'll totally buy it again, but I'm glad that I upgraded to air fryer Pro. I'm gonna make a comparison between this air fryer and air fryer Pro very soon on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and check out the links in the description. That really helps out my channel. If you are planning to make a purchase, check those links out, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.